Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do tomato facial at home. So let's get started. Tomato is a fruit which is full of antioxidant properties and it has vitamin C which cures so many skin problems. It cleans your skin, it reduces dark spots, blemishes, wrinkles, it cures pimples and acne, and it also gives us a fair complexion. So this facial consists of 3 steps. So at first, take a tomato and cut it into 2 pieces. One will be bigger and one will be smaller. Now squeeze out some juice from the big piece and keep the juice aside. Now make some scratches in the tomato piece with a fork and add some rose water in it. Now start step 1, which is cleansing step. Rub this piece on your face for 1 to 2 minutes to clean your face and wash your skin with normal water. This will clean your face thoroughly. Next, take the small tomato piece and make some scratches on it with a fork. Now add some rice flour on it and mix it very well. In the second step, which is scrubbing step, rub this tomato along with rice flour on your skin in circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes. It will exfoliate your skin and give you a nice smooth texture. After 3 minutes, wash your skin with normal water. Next, take the tomato juice and add 1 teaspoon sandalwood powder, also known as chandan powder. Next, add 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel and mix very well to make a smooth paste. At the third step, which is mask application step, apply this mask on your face thoroughly and allow it for 20 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, wash your skin with normal water. After washing your skin, apply any moisturizer of your choice. So friends, after doing this facial, you can see my skin is looking more glowing and flawless. This facial is very effective, especially in winter, and suits every skin type. And you can do this facial once in a week to get flawless, fair and glowing skin. But if you have allergy with tomato, then please do not do this facial at home. So friends, that's all for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such beauty solutions. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.